Hello friends, I'm Anjali and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a dhoti salwar. So here I have my 2 meters of fabric, but if you are tall and you want your dhoti salwar to be longer, so you can take 2.5 meter or 3 meter of fabric. So here I have folded my fabric in half widthwise like so. Now from one side it is folded, and from this open side I'll take this part to the another side and I'll create this triangular shape, this cone kind of shape here, and then I will cut this extra fabric. So this fabric will be used to make a belt later on. So my fabric is looking like this. Now I have pinned this from one side so that it will be easier for me to give marking. So this is open from one side and this is the triangular part, and from here it is folded. You can see. Now from this side I will start giving the marking. So first I will take the length of my salwar. So I want 34-inch long salwar. So from that I will minus 2 inch, which will be the belt area. So it makes 32. Now I will add 1 inch to it. For seam allowance it makes 33 inches. So 33 inches will be the length, and I will mark 33 inches here. Now from here I will take 6 inch of marking for the leg opening. Here I will make the pacha. So this is done. Now from the top side I will give the crotch area. So whatever the measurement of your hips round is, divided by 3. So mine is 36, divided by 3 it becomes 11.3. So I'll take 11.5 and then I will minus 2 inch because 2 inch will be my belt. So it makes 9.5. So I'm going to mark 9.5 here. Now from here I'll take 1.5 inch of marking and I will make a line here. From top side also I will take 1.5. Now I will join these 2 points, and here I have this block. Now I will give a gentle curve here. So this is my crotch area. Now on this side I'm going to give 1 inch of marking to the both sides of the triangular part. Here you can see how I'm giving it 1.5 this side and 1.5 that side. Now I will join these 2 points by giving little bit of gentle curve like so. So here my marking is done. It's looking like this. Now I am going to cut this out. So first I'll cut this crotch area. Now I will cut this 6 inch of leg opening, and then this 1.5 inch of fabric. So here my cutting is also done. Now when we will open it, it will look something like this. I'll cut this joint from this side. So now I have 2 pieces of fabric with the same measurement for both the legs. So my marking and cutting is done. Now I'm going to stitch this. So for that, first of all I'll take this 1.5 inch of cutting and I will fold it from the middle, and I'll give a stitch here from the wrong side here. So you have to give stitch to both the pieces. Here I have given this stitch and it's looking like this. Now turn it to the right side. Now I'm going to give pleats for the dhoti salwar. So I'm going to give pleats to both the sides, here and here. So what you have to do is, whatever the measurement of your hips is, add 4 more inches to it for ease allowance. Like mine is 36, I will add 4 more inches to it, so it makes 40. Now I will divide 40 by 4. So it makes 10 inches. So I'm going to give 10 inches to both the sides, and on that 10 inches of fabric we are going to give the pleats. So this is the fold from the middle, and now I'm going to give pleats to this side like this. Here you have to measure 10 inch and make sure your pleats should be going inwards and it should be facing the fold. So here you can see this is 10 and a half inch will go at the time of stitching. So now this is done. Now I'm going to give pleats to the another side also. Now we are going to give pleats to the another part. So here I have started giving the pleats. Again, your pleats should be facing inwards. Here you can see I have given the pleats. Now I will measure it from this folded area. It is 10 and a half from this side and 10 and a half from this side also. We have taken half inch extra for a seam allowance. So these pleats are done. Now I'm going to give stitch here. So here you can see my pleats are ready. Similarly, you have to complete the another leg also. Now facing both the right sides together like this, I'm going to join the crotch area. So place it like this and then give a stitch. And this side of crotch area we will join it later on. So here you can see I have given this stitch and our crotch area is attached. Now I'm going to attach a belt. So I'm going to give 2-inch long belt. For that I have taken 5 inches long fabric, and width will be total area of your waist measurement of your dhoti salwar. So facing both the right sides together, I'm going to give stitch like so. So here my belt is attached. Now I will attach the another side of crotch area. Like this. So I will start my stitch and I will give stitch till the belt part. So here you can see my belt is attached, and now I have my both the crotch area at the center. Now we are going to complete the belt. So for that, take half fold from the top and then another fold will be on the stitch, and give a stitch all over the waist part. And then we will complete the bottom part. So for that you have to take 2 small little folds and then give a stitch here. Similarly, we will complete the another leg also. So here you can see I am giving stitch to the belt part, and now I am giving 2 little folds to the bottom part and I am completing it. So here you can see my belt is done, and now you can put nada or elastic here. And this is the bottom part. This is also done. Now we are going to give these side seams. So just keep it properly and then start it from one side and then end it to the another part. So here you can see I'm starting from one leg and I'm giving half an inch of gap, and I'm giving stitch and I'll end it to the another leg. So here you can see my stitch is done and I have given the side seams, and my dhoti salwar is looking like this. It is ready to wear. Here you can see the pleats. This is so neatly done. Now you can give a nice iron here and your dhoti salwar is ready to wear. So this is the overall look of my dhoti salwar. How beautiful it is looking, and this is so easy to make. So I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and yes, you can follow me on my Instagram handle also. All the links are below in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.